How to add music to shorts on PC. So if you want to add music to your shorts on your PC, then first open up your PC or your laptop, and then you need to go for your YouTube. So open up your YouTube, go for the youtube.com or go for the YouTube application. Go for the upper right which has that profile and go for YouTube Studio. Under the YouTube Studio, you need to go for content, which is here on the left side. Under content, you will have all of the contents, right? So you just need to select the video in which you would like to add the music, and then go for the edit shape icon, which is here. Click on the edit shape icon, and you need to go for the editor option, which is here on the left side. Click on editor. Under editor, here you will have the video, right? So you just need to go for the audio option. Click on the audio, and then you need to choose a music that you would like to add. So for example, I'll be choosing this one. Click on add, and that's it. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, you just need to go for save and save that video. So that's how you can add music to your shorts on your PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.